Hi everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Keraglo ED, and I purchased this shampoo and that's my second bottle. I've been using this shampoo for 2 months and I saw really a big difference after applying this shampoo, and I have a lot of itching and a lot of dandruff in my hairs. And after using this shampoo, only one bottle, saw a lot of improvement in my scalp. And this bottle is of 75 ml, and guys, this shampoo contains keta ketoconazole, uh, 2%. So it has aloe vera, deep panthenol, and isothol pale. And this shampoo, guys, comes with the MRP 384, but I got it at around 300 rupees from the online. So I'll give you the link of this product, guys. You can purchase directly from the link. And to use it, if you want to use it, how can you use this shampoo? So for the direction of use is, you just need to, guys, apply it on your scalp gently. First of all, wet your hair and apply this shampoo gently on your scalp and massage to work up a good lather, and leave it for 5 minutes, guys, and rinse your hair and scalp well with a lukewarm or dry normally water. So you can use lukewarm water or you can normal water as well. So I've been using this shampoo with normal water. So yep, that is a short review of this shampoo. Hope you like it. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye. So let me show you from the inside how it looks. This is how it looks, guys, from it. This is the bottle. It's quite small. It has 75 milliliter quantity. So yeah, it's quite expensive as well, 300 for 75 milliliter. But I saw a lot of review about this shampoo, so I thought I should go for it, and I saw a lot of improvement, guys, in my hair scalp. So yeah, hope you like it, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.